Hi everyone, Happy New Year. This is Randy, an old dog with sharing some tricks. So this is what we're doing. Season 2, Episode 1. Today's special is my Loto CT520D 3-in-1 plasma cutter. I'm going to attempt to cut out a shelf for my welding table. It's probably about 25 degrees in my welding shed, so bear with me. I'm still learning this YouTube business. I'm going to set it on the tripod, turn on the machine. Alrighty then, bear with me, here we go. The material I'm cutting through is only about an inch, or rather 1/8 inch thick. It's some, one side is diamond tread picked up at the recycling yard last summer. It's extremely rusty, but whatever works. It's good enough for me. So let me find my shades. Not the right ones. Let's see. Now I'll get my old rat think. For those of you that are old enough, you might remember Big Daddy Ross rat think. And for those that you don't know who it is, Google it, you'll see what the fun was about. I think he was born in around 1960s or so. Because I'm not the best freehander yet, this angle iron is a guide. Let's see what happens. Hang in there. I just realized that you can't see what I'm doing from that angle. Hopefully soon, before I move, I'll get all this set up.